Hey guys, this is the Trading for Dummies series brought to you by Mastermind Trading. Introduction. In the previous video, we looked at trading psychology, which basically is a trader's state of mind before, during, as well as after taking a trade. Now, in this video, we want to look at trading or investment philosophy, as well as how trading and investment philosophy influences a trader's decision making. First, let's look at what investment philosophy is. So basically, investment philosophy is a set of fundamental beliefs, principles, and guidelines that shapes an investor or a trader's decision-making process, as well as their strategy in managing risk, as well as their portfolio. So basically, trading or investment philosophy are the belief system that a trader has prior to them coming into the market that influences how they see the market, as well as how they act, what decision they take in the market. Over the years, different traders have championed different trading and investment philosophy, one of which is growth investing, which basically involves buying or investing in a particular asset with the intention of holding that asset long term. It is a philosophy, it is an approach, it is a belief that at the end of the day, long-term winners, long-term holders of a particular asset, if it is an asset of value, are going to be the most gainers in the market. So in growth investing, the primary focus for a trader is actually identifying assets that have nice growth potential for them to hold basically long term. The aim is practically you planting a seed and then waiting for that seed to grow into the tree that gives you shade as well as fruit. There is also the value investing, which basically looks to capitalize on opportunities in the market where there's discount in fair value, and then looking to maximize this opportunity by selling at favorable prices. So basically, value investing looks to buy low when market presents the opportunity with the intention of selling high when the opportunity arises. If you've done a bit of socializing, you would realize that there are some people that just like to move in the opposite direction of where the most majority of people are going. Now, this is not particular to just social gatherings. This is also particular to the financial market. In this next investment or trading philosophy is called the Contrarian philosophy or the Contrarian belief, and it is an approach to the market where 90% of the time traders that have this belief or this approach or this belief system basically looks to move in the opposite direction of where the most of the market is pointing towards when there's value. So when the most of market participants would be looking to buy, the contrarian trader would most likely be looking to sell. Now, while these are some of the common trading and investment philosophy, trading and investment philosophies doesn't just stop at that. Now, remember that investment or trading philosophies are the sum total of a trader or investor belief system and how it influences their decision in the market. And our belief system varies from one person to another, just as much as trading philosophy varies from one person to another. It is important to figure out what works for you, how you approach the market, how you see the market, and then define your trading philosophy based off that. Here I have outlined 5 important factors to consider when looking to consider your trading or investment philosophy. Now, we have your personal financial goals. You have to consider your own personal financial goals, your understanding of the market, investment constraint, your risk tolerance, as well as time horizon. how long are you willing to sit in a position, how long are you willing to tolerate a position before either riding to winner or to losses. Above all, I have identified these two to be the most important for me. First, you need to know what is the role of trading and investing in your life. It is important to define why exactly you are in this space, in this market in the first place, and then go a bit further to define how you approach success when it comes to investing and trading. So guys, this is very important. I remain Monaco Daniel, the mastermind trader from the world's most populous black nation. I'll see you all in the next video.